So standoff number 2, we got the iRobot Roomba 440 versus the iRobot Roomba 560. Alright, so on your marks, set, go. Okay, here we go again. Boom. 561 modified. Once again.